Hello everyone, this is Sirine from Canon Middle East. Are you looking for a fun activity that you can do with your kids this weekend? Let me tell you about Canon Creative Park. So Canon Creative Park is a portal that offers a huge range of paper crafts that you can easily put together and print to create anything from children toys, agendas, greeting cards, and much more. Canon Creative Park is accessible either through the online website or by downloading the app. So now that we have downloaded the Canon Creative Park app and have our equipments ready, without further ado, let's get started. Today's theme is Into the Jungle, and we will be making a monkey. The monkey template is now downloaded. Just a quick reminder of the tools we will be using today. So we've got the Canon PixMap printer, Canon matte photo paper, scissors, glue. Let's print the template and get going. As you saw, each template comes with the separate instructions. I have my instruction ready with me, and the first step is to cut the template. And here it is. Easy, fun, great to do with kids. Download the Canon Creative Park app and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Bye bye!